Hey guys, so this is a video I never wanted to make, but unfortunately have been forced to make. So my suspicions turned out to be right. The mechanic called me the other day about the car, and unfortunately it has way too much work that needs to be done to it, along with some pretty serious rear strut tower rust that I wasn't aware of, and my car was just inspected last month, which is pretty scary. I didn't know it had gotten that bad. Unfortunately, New England winters are very harsh with the stuff we put on the roads, especially here in Maine. So, and this winter just total wreaked havoc on my car this year with all the problems I had with the overheating and then the gas leaks and it being too cold out and everything. So, yeah, it did more damage than I thought, along with leaking head gaskets, wheel bearing ball joints. The exhaust is plugged up again, I guess. So, and he just said, pretty much that the car wasn't worth putting the money into, and it still has the wiring issue that is causing it to not, or something to drain the car completely, which I think is the remote start, which I took off. The one thing that the car had before, or one of the two things the car had when I bought it, was the head unit and the remote start, which worked fine all winter. It was great, but I think that it's somehow there must be a short or ground or somewhere, and it's draining the battery completely. It won't run off the jumper cables. I've tried a jumper wire from the alternator to the positive side of the battery, and that didn't work. So I'm selling it. I already sold a few parts off it. I sold the trunk and the wing. I sold my JDM fog light covers that I had sitting around. I'm going to be keeping some of the stuff just in case I do get another Subaru, which is highly likely that I'll be able to use those parts. And I'm selling like the performance parts I had, sway bars, stainless steel brake lines, things like that I never got to install in the car. Taking my shift knob, pretty much everything. I'll show you guys what I am letting go with the car. The wheels are staying on the car, giving him the alternator, cord ATF, end links, an amp. I'm giving him the splitters that were on the car. I'm giving him the, hold on. I'm giving him the sub in the trunk and the stock struts, along with everything else I'm leaving on the car. I'm leaving the K&N air filter, I'm leaving the STI suspension, I'm leaving the white line top hats, I'm leaving the white line end links all around. I'm leaving the Perrin master brace cylinder. So I'm leaving a good amount. I'm comfortable with the price. It obviously wasn't what I thought. I didn't want to get rid of this car, but if there wasn't with the rust, I probably would continue to plug away at it, here and there, maybe fix the head gaskets and then fix the exhaust, one thing at a time. But rust is just something I don't really want to deal with, and once rust starts, it's very hard to get rid of, and it's already started in the fender and in the quarter panels. So yeah, I guess this is goodbye to one chapter and hello to a next. Not sure what that chapter will be. Possibly another Subaru. I don't know yet. I'm still looking. Might keep saving. Got the bill of sale signed, the title signed, and yeah. That's about it, guys. That is a wrap for this car, unfortunately. Oh, good times, good times. It was definitely fun. Got to get the mileage for the thing. Oh, we'll start. I believe it's around 212 anyway. So yeah, you guys have to tune in to what I have next. Obviously be some kind of performance car. I can't imagine not driving something cool, going back to a boring daily driver. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one, wherever that takes us. Here's what we got. Here's the new daily. Specs 2004 Subaru